In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how to start Pinterest affiliate marketing with $0 just in few minutes. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys, step by step for beginners who want to start making money. As you can see over here, I made $125 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. So let's get started. So what you will do, you will go first to Google and you will search for this website. Search for Fiverr, okay? After you do that, click on the first link and you need to sign up by using your email address to this website. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one, okay? So what you will do is just come to this page and scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. It will take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, I'm gonna show you first the commission plan because they are really paying a lot of money. If we scroll down here and if we click over here on see commission, you can see over here commission plan, and as you can see over here, you can earn up to $150. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money guys, okay? So what you will do, just click over here on Fiverr affiliates. So you will go back to this Fiverr affiliate website, click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page over here. And as you can see, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is really easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account type, make it private. You will answer few questions over here. You will choose your country and you will choose your language. Then put your Skype here. If you don't have Skype, just click on next, and that's it. It's really easy and simple. If you don't have Skype, click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. It will take just few minutes from your time. And after you finish, this will be your Fiverr affiliate account, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr, go back to your home page like this and search for Etsy SEO, okay? Search for Etsy SEO like this. So why we choose this Etsy SEO service? Because a lot of people who have Etsy stores, they are using Pinterest to promote their physical products or digital products. So they will be interested to use this Etsy SEO service to boost their sales, okay, to get more sales and make more money. So that's why they will be really interested to give this service a try, okay? So they will try this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, Fiverr choice, and so on. So if people click on your affiliate links and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, okay? I'm gonna choose this one. As you can see, this one is top rated seller. You will click on his service. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. What you need to do is you need to copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, then click on default and dip links, okay? Click over here and put this profile seller link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. Okay, it's really easy and simple. Let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, go to Google. Let me show you. Just go to Google, it's easy. Search for Pinterest, click on the first link, and you need to sign up by using an email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one on Pinterest. Okay, click over here on home feed, click on create pin. It will take you to this page. You need to upload a picture that describe your service. So go back to this profile page, okay, to this seller page on Fiverr. Scroll down, you should see over here picture. Click on his picture. This is his picture. Double click and save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it Etsy. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Open, and here you go. What you will do next, you need to put title, description, and your affiliate link here. So let's start with the title. Go back to this seller page, copy his title. So just copy his title. It's really easy and simple. Go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description. Go back to this seller page, scroll down. Okay, so you should see over here about this pig. If we click over here, and as you can see, this is his description. He will copy this description, go back to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down, put here your affiliate link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Then go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here. What you will do next, click over here on choose a board. Okay, so if you are new, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name. It's really easy and simple, and you can create as many as you want. So I already created a lot. I'm gonna choose this one for Fiverr affiliates. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Okay, so go back, just go back to this seller page. Okay, keep scrolling down, just keep scrolling down like this. You should see over here related tags. Okay, copy those keywords and go to Pinterest and put those keywords here. Okay, like this. I'm gonna copy this one so people can find your affiliate service on Pinterest and they can buy this service, so you can earn commission. Make sure to use all those keywords. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just promoted your affiliate service on Pinterest. Okay, as you can see, this will be your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, and this is your description. That's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing business with $0. You don't need to invest any money. You just need to promote those affiliate services on Pinterest and you will earn commission. So you just need to give it a try. It's for free, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.